Monty, where did you come from?
Manhattan.
I mean, what are you doing here?
I heard you guys were going to the country. Here I am. Come on, Snowbell. Let's go see the sights.
What sights? We're in the middle of nowhere.
Hello. There's like 4 trash cans over there.
My mistake.
Downtown middle of nowhere. We definitely made the right choice, didn't we? Oh, guilt is so not my style. But we can't just leave him here. What if he goes back into town? We can't warn him, but maybe we should stick around to make sure he stays on the farm.
Maybe we should stick around and make sure we stay on the farm. This place is a giant food factory.
Ooh, good point. Think they'll have any farm fresh milk?
Personally, I'm hoping for a farm fresh pizza. Come on!
Monty, little help here. Monty?
This here snack break sure was a good idea, Mr. Cat.
Thanks. Don't suppose either of you guys has any butter.
Can we take a snack break?
Bobby Joe, Jimbo, dang it, y'all, get back to work.
Okay, Billy Jack. Sorry, Bubba. Break's over.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Hello? Anyone? There's a door here.
Yo, listen up, here's a story about a little puppy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night she often likes to leave lots of clues all around, inside and outside. She's blue.